guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Stell's Impromptu Song Challenge, a journey of self-discovery at Mega Entertainment. So, and we have the captions, so this is going to be fun. Let's see.
I love his outfit.
Kasi magte-take off yun.
It's giving Hogwarts.
Ganun yung opening niya.
Harry Potter.
Entertainment, this is Stell.
So
And today,
stylish.
I'm going to play the impromptu song
And his
challenge.
hair is different.
I'll be giving a topic each round.
Yeah.
Try to create.
And I believe Stell is dropping a new music video tomorrow. So, guys.
He is? For what?
For a new song.
What, do you know the name?
No, I think it's in Tagalog. But anyway, I saw it. He dropped the teaser. I haven't watched it, so I don't know the date. But I'm assuming it's gonna be like, you know, Friday midnight their time. So guys, it's gonna be good to react if he is dropping.
A verse based on it. The main theme of the challenge is all about self-discovery.
Honestly, the way they do it, the SB19, they drop a song at midnight, and then like at 6 p.m. their time they drop a video. So I don't know, yeah, because last couple of times we did that with Philippe. Like we'd react to the video, then wake up the next morning. I mean, react to the song, wake up next morning, there's a video. I'm like, really? Yeah.
He's acting like he's nervous. He's not nervous.
When writing songs, it's easier pag meron ng music talaga. Like meron ng buong music na papakinggan ako, yung gagawan ko na lang siya ng melody, gagawan na lang siya ng lyrics. Ako talaga hindi ako yung marunong gumawa ng music from scratch. Like kailangan ko ng someone na tutulong sa akin para lang masabi ko sa kanya ano yung sound na gusto ko. Tas pag
So what? Pablo does the beat and he makes the lyric. I think that makes sense to me, you know.
gawa, tsaka ko siya lalapatan ng melody or ng lyrics. Ganun. Let's choose one topic. So, ang first topic natin ay choosing passion over practicality. Oh, grabe. So, ano pwede natin maging...
I don't understand the question. What's the
Bigay
question?
kayo ng
I
word.
think impromptu song challenge. I think he has to like write a song impromptu. He
But you don't do that.
Well, that's the point.
That's gonna be hard now. I didn't know he didn't do that until he said it.
No, well, alright, but it's a challenge. So he's challenging
challenge.
himself. But I think so. The first
Like a prompt,
the
like
first theme is to choosing passion over practicality. So
what does that mean?
that's what this first song has to be about.
Oh, you're choosing passion over practicality.
Ako yung challenge nyo, pero mas challenge ko kayo.
Ha ha ha.
Okay, sige, try natin. Akala ko pa kasama na kita, hindi pala pinapapili mo pa. Sino bang dapat kong sundin ang puso o ikaw ba? Mahal kita pero mas mahal ko ang sarili ko. Okay na ba yun? Medyo weird, sorry.
But that's choosing practicality over passion if he chose himself.
Yeah.
Passion would be choosing the other person, no?
Yeah. No, he's not good at this.
Nagkaroon na kasi ako before.
He apologized in
sa
advance.
life ko
It's
na
really hard though.
I have to choose between tutuloy ko pa ba yung gusto kong gawin or
Oh, passion of what he's doing.
Oh.
I thought passion in a like a
We're
person
both
he
confused.
loves. Yeah, okay, never mind. He did right.
Hala, baka umiyak tayo dito. Hidil, before training sa SB19, parang nagkaroon kasi ako ng time na pinapili ako kung tutuloy pa ba ako. Kasi parang ayaw niya na. Kasi parang nakikita niya walang nangyayari. Pero mas na-feel ko kasi na mas may mangyayari sa ginagawa ko. Hindi pa kami SB19.
Okay, so
Training pa
I mean,
kami.
I feel like most of the people there's that meme where you dig for gold. And like you dug so much and you're about to turn around, but it's this much left, but you don't know.
Yeah.
So I feel like a lot of people encounter that at some point in their lives.
Feel ko na parang baka yung tao na to hindi siya yung ready supportahan ako mag-fail or maging successful man yung career. So parang pumili talaga ako and pinili ko sarili ko. Lalo, OA! Grabe. Pero okay naman, goods naman. Hindi ko nag-explain. Hindi pa naman goods naman. Okay naman kami ng tao. Okay. Anyways. Okay, next po. Adulting. Hala, ang hirap nito. Magkano ba ang bill? Totoo ata yung pagdating mo ng 25, medyo nagkakaroon ka ng quarter life crisis. So parang naano ko talaga siya, na naramdaman ko siya, parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang walang nangyayaring thrill sa buhay ko. Parang,
no thrill in your life?
Like, dumating
really?
Every concert is a thrill.
Adulting.
That's crazy. Everyone has their own perspective. Every song sounds the same.
Oh, he's not a beat maker. He just has to come up with the lyrics.
Kaya ko na bang tumayo sa aking mga paa, yung hindi na kita kasama. Kaya ko bang lumipad pag hindi ka tanaw? Kaya ko bang maglakad pag hindi kita akbay? Nais kong pumunta sa lugar kung saan na wala ka na, ako ang mag-isa. Eh, wala lang siyang tono, pero...
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Well,
yes, so this is basically like a freestyle. You know how rappers freestyle? This is like a freestyle lyrics too.
This would be hard for him to do.
This hard. Like unless you're like a freestyle rapper, I think it's hard for anybody.
Nag-aral ako ng high school, college, hindi ko talaga kayang humiwalay sa parents ko. Tapos nung nag-start na nga yung training with SB19, mas doon ako nagkaroon ng battle with myself na parang, kaya mo bang bumiyahe, umuwi sa inyo, or kaya mo na bang mamuhay mag-isa? Kasi bukod doon, pag namuhay ka mag-isa, shoulder mo na lahat yung bills, yung rent, food, everything. Yun lang yung na-feel ko doon sa song, parang being alone, hindi mo kasama yung nakasanayang tao sa paligid mo. Okay, next one is moving to a different city. Ito nga yun, parang same lang. Okay, malungkot ka kasi.
It is kind of the same. Because he just described.
Nalilipat ka na ng ibang lugar. Okay. Ano kaya pwede?
Yes, please. Let's do a switch up.
Ako ay lilipat na sa lugar na hindi ko naman alam kung saan napupunta, kasama pa ikaw. Saan na nga pupunta? Saan na nga titira? Ako nga ba'y mag-isa, makakasama iba? Halik ka na sinta, samahan ako patunay dito. Okay, baka weird na. Okay na siguro yun. Okay na.
It's really cool. Like, this really allows you to see like how talented he is.
Parang pag nagtrabaho
it's coming up like that with the lyrics.
Tabang iwan yung buhay natin dito. Parang awkward pala pag mag-isa, no? Parang masaya kung may kabatuhan.
True.
Traveling. Sa basketball ba to? So pag traveling, syempre, ano yan, parang pwedeng ibang bansa, pwedeng aeroplano.
But all of these I feel like are similar. Moving to a different city, traveling, it's like the same thing.
Kasi magte-take off yun. Ganun yung opening niya. Sa aeroplanong ito, tinatanaw sino ako. Pagdating ko ba doon, makikita ko ba sarili ko? Sa aeroplanong ito, makikita ko ba kung ano ang ninanais ng puso ko nalilito? Saan nga ba patungo ang tulad ko?
Yeah, but you know, that's what they give him, so he kind of has to.
And then, well, kasi naisip ko lang aeroplano. So minsan, sa buhay, may mga nagiging desisyon tayo na akala natin, sure na tayo doon. Pero once na nag-make tayo ng move or gumawa tayo ng step, biglang mapapatanong ka, tama ba itong ginawa ko? Parang sure ba ako dito? Ano bang makikita ko pagdating ko doon? So naisip ko lang, aalis siya dito kasi akala niya may magandang buhay siya doon. Pero papunta pa lang siya, iniisip niya na kung kaya niya ba talaga or nakikita niya ba yung sarili niya doon sa lugar na pupuntahan niya. So, ayun lang yung naisip ko. medyo mahirap siya kasi kailangan mo mag-isip ng topic eh. Pero isa lang yung na-realize ko. Parang ang hilig ko sa
yeah, you like sad and slow songs.
Siguro nga, gano'n lang naisip ko. Kasi pag
nag-iisip ka, medyo
para mas makapag-isip ka kagad. Pag binilisan mo, baka mawala ka ng words na sasabihin o kakantahin. Naghahalo-halo yung thoughts mo. But sobrang na-enjoy ko kasi parang, for me, it's a struggle na gumawa ng song. Kasi nga dahil isang bago kami solo artist pa lang. And first time ko mag-try gumawa ng song for myself. So, challenging siya for me, but nag-enjoy ako ng sobra kasi dito sa room na to, walang judgment at all. Thank you.
Okay, so I guess you did a little photo shoot too here.
Cool.
Yes, ayun po, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa video na ito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. This has been Stel for Mega Entertainment. Again, thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.
So is it going to be like on the magazine, like a cover of a magazine or something? Because it looks like a magazine.
Mega.
Yeah, Mega magazine.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.